guys, welcome back. Yes, I'm wearing the same thing from last time. I made like 10 videos in one day, so you're going to see me in this outfit and makeup and hair. Alright, so loneliness in marriage. Whew, what a topic, right? Is marriage good for you? Of course. Is marriage bad for you? Must everybody get married? No, not at all. You don't have to. So we're going to talk about loneliness in marriage. When I say loneliness in marriage, hold on. Marriage, hold on, is calling me. Hey babe, what's up? Oh, nice. Thank God you did not miss it. I'm just making my YouTube video, Jerry. Okay, now. Just keep me updated, Sha. Okay, alright. Bye. I love him. Right, so when we get married, in fact, before we get married, as spinsters, as you know, young girls, we always have dreams, or even men, we have dreams of what we want it to be, what our future marriage will be like, what our home will be like, what our life will be like once we are married. It's not, it's not like that. It's not like that. My husband, please don't watch this video, but it's not like that. Trust me. See, it depends, yeah. If the aspect I'm coming from is loneliness, like when you're alone, okay, or when you have people around but you still feel alone. Now, the first one or the second one, when you're around people but feel alone, is like maybe you got married, you still live in the same city, even in the same street. However, your friends either can't come over or they see you as a different person because you're married. They're scared. Should I come to her house? How will her husband react? How will his wife react? Can I still visit? So your friends might tend to withdraw, stick to single ladies or single men and live their lives. And then you'll be like, why are you not coming over? Come over now. Let's hang out. Let's do this. And they wouldn't. Then you, as a new married person, it might be hard to find other married people around you that you can, link up with and become friends with. That's the loneliness, okay, that I'm talking about. Then the other loneliness is when, like me, let's be real, when like me, you get married and then move to a new city, like a new country, a new city. I mean, UK is not new for me, but it is new because I'm in a different city where I've never been before, in a different region entirely. So, no friends here, no childhood friends here, nothing. Nobody came to my wedding from here. In fact, nothing, okay? Which is same for my husband. We just moved. We were like, where should we go? Let's go there. So that was it. So you start afresh to look. Let me say me. I started afresh to look into my street to see if I'll find any, first of all, black people around. See if I can find any newcomers or those who are willing to interact, looking for friends. It was hard. It's been hard still. I've been able to find 2 black people. One that I'm close with, one that didn't really interact, so I left her because I don't want to push, so I don't seem desperate, so I moved away. So I have one who's from Congo, who's older than me with lots of kids, but at least she's there. She needs a friend. She wants to be involved. So we are, trying to do our friendship the way we can, as she's a busy mother. Then I also met another person from Brazil, another woman who's way older than me, but also is willing to interact and meet new friends. Now, are they my type of normal friends? No. Do we have the same interests? Not really. However, what choice do I have, right? I couldn't even go to the church to make new friends because lockdown, COVID. So lockdown, the church is shut down. Nothing could be done about that. So it's just been hard and weird. Because in as much as I'm an introvert, I also want to have 1 or 2 friends that I can say, okay, let me pop around to your place. Oh, come over here, let's watch something. Oh, let's go out for drinks, let's do that. Okay, even if you don't plan it, you just wake up and do it. My husband, on the other hand, an introvert, yes, but he can stay in the house for 1 year and he's okay. As long as he has his friends on video call, he's cool, he's fine. So I feel like maybe he doesn't feel it. He's not feeling it. I'm not sure. We haven't really discussed it in depth. But when we talk about it, he says, no, he just doesn't want new friends. He's fine. Oh, it's me. So this is what I mean by loneliness in marriage. Not that you would have your spouse, you would. And they'll be there. Not that they're busy, you'll be there. But the relationship with your spouse is different from the relationship with your own friends. I'm sure you understand. So if you're single, these are things to look into. Of course, don't reject a marriage proposal because you're going to move to a new country. No, last life, you keep growing. You must move if you need to move. But what I'm trying to say is, don't enter marriage expecting that your life will be wow, superb and change. It happens for some people. I'm sure it does. Your husband will move into a new area with lots of friends where his family is, his friends. You know, people mingle, meet other couples. That's great, especially if you have an outgoing husband or wife, the other way around. I'm just using, husband because usually when we get married, we move to our husband's side. So that's why I'm saying that in Nigeria. Sorry if you're not Nigerian watching this. I'm talking about in Nigeria. But obviously, in the Western world, in the UK, both of you can decide to live in the same place. Both of you can decide to live in the same street as your mother or mother-in-law. You can move into your own house even. It's done anyway that's easier for the couple. However, in Africa, especially Nigeria, it's done differently. Everything is about the man. You follow him, you go and make his life better. But thank God for the man I married. He doesn't do all those traditional things like that. He will do it when it makes sense. When it doesn't make sense, common sense comes in, which I'm grateful for because I don't have energy, I don't have strength. But yeah, so I wanted us to have a real talk. Let me know in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think marriage is lonely or can be lonely? Or don't you agree with me? Do you think it's a lie? Stop it, it's because you're married. Let me know in the comment section. If you're married, did it change in any way? Did it pull you away from your own side of things, your own people? Or did it get you new friends? Did you lose your single friends when you got married? Let me know, guys, and I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Remember to like and share. Bye.